Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making carrot stew. This is quite affordable to make with little to no tomatoes at all. And for ingredients, we have our carrots, we have Sombo, we have Scotch bonnet pepper. You can also add some red bell pepper if you want. So I'll start off by cooking our meat to extract our meat stock, and now I'm just adding some chicken seasoning to my chicken, some chopped onion, and then I will add some garlics as well, chopped garlic as well. I would also be adding some seasoning cube and also some mixed seasoning. So I'm just going to add some mixed seasoning to it. Stir this. I will let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And after that I'll add some more water to it. It's about 5 minutes now, and guys, I'm just going to stir this and add some water to it and let it cook properly. I just allowed it to extract its own juice from the chicken. So now I'm just going to add some water and I will cover this to cook for about 20 minutes. So after that we will come back and continue preparing our carrot stew. Our meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and I think it's ready. So I'll just take that down and I'll prep for our carrot stew. So I have washed and chopped my carrots, my Sombo, my Scotch bonnet pepper, added some onion and a little bit of garlic to it. So I'll just blend this into a smooth paste. So this is what my stew mix looks like after blending. So I like this consistency. So let's just get into frying our chicken. So I'm just going to fry our chicken, and once I'm done, I'm going to use the same oil to fry my stew. I kind of like to use this method because it gives my stew a little more taste. So I'm just going to fry the chicken, and once I'm done, we'll start frying our stew. So I'm done frying my chicken. So now I'm just going to add some chopped onion into the oil I used in frying my chicken, and I will also add some chopped garlic as well. I will saute this for about a minute, and after that I will add my carrot stew blend into it. So I'm just adding my carrot stew blend, and I'm just going to stir this and let it fry a little bit until the oil is floating on top of the carrot mix itself. Then for me, that means my mix has fried properly. So I will be stirring this at intervals to avoid it from burning. I will just cover it up and stir it at intervals to let it fry properly to my preference. So I fried this for about 15 minutes, and now I'm adding my seasoning, my remaining mixed seasonings. I'm just going to stir this. I will then add my fried chicken to the carrot stew, and I will also add the chicken stock I used in cooking the chicken. So I'll add that to the carrot stew as well. So guys, I'm not the kind of person who likes to drain my chicken stock. I love to have all the seasonings in the stew, just so to avoid adding more seasonings, because I kind of like to use less seasonings in my cooking. So I'm just going to stir this, allow it to simmer a little bit, and yeah, once it is ready, I will serve it. You can serve this with your rice, you can serve it with your yam, your spaghetti, whatever you want. You can even eat it with your bread, guys. So this is what my stew looks like, guys, and it was so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.